Hello Team TFT and welcome back to another Market Outlook video. Sorry this one's out a little bit late today. Got held up with some family stuff. So anywho, we'll jump in and have a bit of a look. So as you can see today, we're got a couple of areas here marked out. We've had a push out of the Asian low here. It's definitely a consolidated range. As you can see, very tight movements. So we're looking for a consolidated price action. Unfortunately, it's a little bit hard to get a daily bias at the moment because as the other day I went through the last market video, we had this break of this structural high indicating that we could be looking for a bit of a trend change. But then you see the markets come down and push just lower than this. So this could be the fact that the wick came down and passed and then came back up. It could be classified as a liquidity grab, or it could also be classified as another break of structure, which could then look at retracing back up, hitting a point of interest up in here, and then look at further coming lower. The other thing we need to take into consideration when trading today as well, guys, is the news. We've got the US dollar CPI coming out month on month and year on year. So both of these last month especially created some pretty big moves for the euro as well as the USD, because obviously the two are pegged together. So what happens on the dollar also affects the euro. So basically what comes out from these figures, they're expecting 8.1%. If those figures aren't met and it's higher, obviously means inflation's not coming down. So it could be strength for the euro. But if they're at 8.1% or lower, we could be looking at seeing strength for the dollar, which obviously means weakness for the euro. So it could be coming down further. So for me today, I've got these areas marked out, but we're only about an hour away from the CPI coming out. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens coming into there. But I don't generally like to trade the news as such, because the moves can be quite aggressive and can jump your stop losses and that sort of thing. So we just got to be a little bit careful. Might even just wait and see what happens with the CPI coming out today, and maybe look for a trade tomorrow based around the moves from that. So but basically there is a couple of things that could happen as saying from that. So depending on what the news comes out, we could just bust through this and set another higher high, indicating that we could be looking a bit bullish on the euro short term. Or we could actually see this area hold, and we could see a push up into here in about an hour's time as the New York session opens and CPI is printed, and then we can probably maybe look at seeing a weakening euro from those figures coming out. So a bit of a wait and see game for me, but yeah, anyway, that's what I'm looking at for today, guys. So thanks for jumping on board and having a look at another video, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.